Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by signing into the Facebook account that manages the page and confirming you have admin or advertiser permissions. Once signed in, go straight to the page and select Ads Center or Ads Manager in the left menu. Make sure you note the boosted post's name, start date, and how much was set to spend. This information speeds up cancellation and any refund review. If you don't see Ads Manager, open Business Suite. The control panels are equivalent for pausing boosts. Once you've found Ads Center or Ads Manager, filter for active boosts or search by the post ID. Select the specific boost or campaign and choose Pause to stop delivery immediately. Alternatively, edit the campaign and set the end date to today or reduce the budget to 0. Make sure to save changes. Ads Manager will show status changing to paused or completed. Pausing keeps the campaign record intact, while ending a campaign fully stops billing for future spend, so pick the action based on whether you may restart later. After you pause or end the boost, confirm the status in Ads Manager reads paused or ended and record the stop timestamp. Next, open billing to review recent charges. If a charge occurred after the stop and you believe it's refundable, submit a refund request and include the post or campaign ID. If you can't cancel, check that your account role allows edits. If permissions are fine but the action fails, contact Facebook support and provide the post ID. That troubleshooting step resolves most stuck campaigns.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.